What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're here in the garage. Today is a beautiful day here in Northeast New Jersey. It's springtime already, and that means what? Riding season. And riding season is here, and I love it, and I can't wait to get out on the bike as always. But first, in the last video I told you that I was going to be updating some of the parts on the Road Glide here. See that? Here's the Road Glide. This is my 2020 Road Glide, and we're going to be updating some parts. And today is the first part of that upgrade. And what do we have here? I'll let you know in a second. But first, let's check out the bike. Like I said, this is my 2020 Road Glide in Billiard Red. Beautiful bike. It's been my workhorse. It's been everything that I wanted and expected, and of course I put all the upgrades that I want on here. So, but what are we changing today? We are going to be updating the exhaust system. And what did we go with? I'll let you know in a second. So this is what I got. D&D exhaust system. Big shout out to Glenn and Nadal. They are the ones that gave me this exhaust system, the whole exhaust system. And what I mean by that is Glenn actually had heat shields here, and he powder coated them for me. And he also had a muffler, an extra one, that he powder coated also. And we also have here this header pipe from Nadal. This was actually off his old bike. I don't know how many miles they put on this system, but still looks good, still looks beautiful. Everything's intact, everything's there. So what I was going to do actually on the Bassani pipe is actually do the same thing that Glenn did. Was he took off his heat shields and his muffler, and he basically powder coated everything. But if you get a free exhaust system, why not go with it? And I do like the D&D. D&D sounds a little different than the Bassani. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. It's preference. But first, so this isn't a guide for how to install everything. There are plenty of videos out there for that. So this is just for a before and after sound of the D&D pipe. Before, it's going to be the Bassani pipe, 2-in-1, and second, it's going to be the D&D pipe. So let's get wrenching, but first, let's get the sound of the Bassani pipe for you. So right now, we're going to put the bike up on the wheel chock. I also have a microphone about 4 to 5 feet away behind the bike to get the nice sound of the Bassani. So it's really not directly in front of it, but it's a couple feet back, and I will try to keep it in the same spot when I start up for the D&D pipe. But first, let's listen to this Bassani pipe. So basically, this is a cold start. This bike hasn't been started all day yet. So let it warm up. give it some gas. At 2,000 RPM. Alright, that was the sound of the Bassani pipe. Try to give you the same amount of revs and idling. And let's put this D&D pipe on. And you'll decide which one you like better. So real quick before I start, this is what it looks like without the saran wrapping on it. Beautiful stuff. I do have to buy the end cap. Hopefully it kind of matches what the powder coating is. If not, I'll go back to the powder coating place. They did a fantastic job. Looks really nice. And so let's put this bad boy on. Alright guys, so I made some progress, but I'm stuck. I can't get the O2 sensor out. I really want to try to go to town on it. I heated it up and everything. It's not enough heat. You need a torch or something. And I kind of stripped it already. So I have two things to do. I could bring it to someone so they could pull that out for me, or buy new O2 sensors. There's the other one sitting right there. That runs to the back. That's for the front cylinder. This one's for the rear. Yeah, kind of stuck right now. So I guess to be continued. I'll let you guys know. I'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure maybe I could get someone to pull that out, or I'll just buy new O2 sensors. We'll see. I got everything off, the bags and the other side also, so not too bad. I could probably start working on the rear fender, and yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. Stuck for now. So if you want to see part 2, make sure you hit the like, and make sure you hit subscribe. YouTube will notify you, so we'll notify you when I put out the next video for this. So I'll see you later. Peace out.